Hey there! In today's world, gadgets have become an inseparable part of our daily lives. From smartphones to laptops, these devices make life more convenient. But are we using them safely? Many of us overlook simple precautions that can protect both our devices and ourselves from harm. In this video, I'll be sharing essential gadget safety tips to help you extend the life of your devices, keep your data secure, and ensure your personal safety. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to get the most out of their gadgets, these tips are for you. So let's dive in and make your tech habits smarter and safer. Imagine this. You're about to head out, but your phone suddenly stops working. A quick inspection reveals the problem: an overheated battery caused by overcharging. Sounds familiar? Many of us unintentionally mishandle our gadgets, and the consequences can be more severe than a dead device. Let's talk about keeping your gadgets and yourself safe. First, always use original or certified chargers. Those cheap knockoffs might save you a few bucks, but they can overheat your device, damage the battery, or even spark a fire. Protecting your gadgets starts with investing in the right accessories. Next, remember that gadgets and water don't mix. A small spill can lead to a major disaster. Waterproof cases and screen protectors are lifesavers, especially if you're around water often. And speaking of protection, keep your devices away from extreme heat or cold. Ever left your phone in a hot car? That heat can permanently damage its components. But gadget safety isn't just about the hardware, it's about your data too. Keep your software updated to block security vulnerabilities and use strong passwords to protect sensitive information. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Lastly, think about physical safety. How often do you walk while glued to your phone screen? Distracted walking is a growing hazard, especially near traffic. Always be aware of your surroundings. By following these simple yet essential tips, you can ensure that your gadgets stay in top shape and that you stay safe while using them. Remember, it's not just about convenience, it's about responsibility. Stay smart, stay safe, and let your gadgets serve you for years to come.